Hi there, and today we are going to learn about how to restore previous designs on Squarespace. So here I am in my Squarespace website dashboard, and let's go to the website editor. So just click on website right here on the sidebar and then click on edit. So one way that you can restore previous designs here in Squarespace is that you can use the undo and redo button. So for example, if I change around the different elements right here in this section, I will now have this undo button right here. So I can just click on it until I restore the previous design here in Squarespace. I can also click on redo if I want to redo the changes. But be careful in using the undo and redo button. So for example, if I change the elements right here, and if I click on save, and then if I click on exit, and then if I click on edit again, I don't have this undo feature anymore. So if I want to restore the previous design of this section right here, I just need to move it manually. We'll just move it like this. So that is a problem if you accidentally exit the saved website. But what you can do is that if you save the changes but you haven't exit the editor yet, you still have the option to undo and redo the changes. So as long as you don't exit the website editor, you will still have the option to undo the changes and restore the previous design of your Squarespace website. But what if, for example, if I completely remove this section, and then if I click on save and exit, then click on edit again, now I don't have the option to restore that section. But since I am using a template section, I can just click on add section and then find my template section right here. So it is this one. So I can just click on it and it will be automatically added back here on my Squarespace website. But what if I am using a custom section? So for example, this one. So this section doesn't have a template right here in the template sections right here. What we can do is that we can save this section. So just click on the heart button right here and we can remove this, then click on save, then for exit, then click on edit again. Now in order to restore that section, we need to click on add section, and then we can see it right here in saved sections. So just select it, and then now we have restored this design. And then that is it. Those are some different ways that we can restore previous designs here in Squarespace. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.